What's good, and welcome back to Investing with Jaxx. I'm Jaxx, and this is not financial advice. If you enjoy the video, make sure to give it a big fat like, hit that bell if you're new, and if you're into self-improvement, check out my other channel. All right, we got two juicy hot stocks for you today. The first one is Mustang Bio, ticker symbol MBIO. It has a $268 million market cap. Quick overview of the company. Recent medical breakthroughs in cell and gene therapy have signaled a coming revolution in patient care for previously untreatable disease. We at Mustang Bio are translating these breakthroughs into next generation therapies for hematologic cancers, glioblastoma, and rare genetic diseases. So here's a quick look at the pipeline. I'll throw it up on the screen. So the Wall Street analyst Justin Zeeland notes the early success of MB106 and its potential for the company going forward. And here is what he had to say. We view MB106 robust efficacy of 89% overall response rate and 44% complete response rate, and an extremely favorable safety profile of the the 9 NHL patients treated with Mustang's modified cell manufacturing process as a significantly positive de-risking event for the program and Mustang's platform overall. On the heels of this positive data set, Mustang will file an investigational new drug application in 1Q21E to enable the initiation of a multi-arm, multi-center phase 2 study of MB106, providing a de-risked registrational pathway to approval in CD220 NHL patients, Zeeland wrote. Zeeland. That's what Zeeland had to say. All right, so this is a really good looking company, and based on 5 analysts offering a 12-month price target for Mustang Bio in the last 3 months, the average price target, okay, get ready for this one, is $11.20 with a high forecast of $13. Oh, baby. And a low forecast of $7. The average price target represents 161% increase from the last price of $4.28. So we've got a huge upside on this company, and all 5 analysts say it's a buy. So our strike price at $4.28. The last week high was $5.21. If we're going to buy 15 shares, remember this is just an example. It's not financial advice. You could buy less, you could buy more. You do whatever you want in the market. Just try not to lose all your money. All right, so if it stays at $4.28, that's not too bad of a price. If it drops a little bit, that would be great. So I'm going to buy 5 shares, or we are going to buy. Remember, this is just my opinion, not financial advice. 5 shares in between $4 and $4.28. And if it drops down to $3.50, in between $3.50 and $3.75, I'm just going to throw the other 10 shares. I like this company. I think it will do well. I'm going to hold this one long term, at least. I would hold it for 12 months for sure, maybe even 2 years. I do think that it will reach that $13 high. So I'm going to stick it out for a bit. All right, next on the list, we have AcelRx. AcelRx Pharmaceuticals, ticker symbol ACRX. It has a $228 million market cap. Okay, I just need to take a deep breath. All right. AcelRx is a pharmaceutical company dedicated to the creation of safer treatments for acute pain, developing synthetic opioid drugs for subline under the tongue dosing. Sublingual. I apologize if I pronounce some of these words wrong. These medical terms, sometimes they get me. All right, so this company's main product is sufentanil, which was approved by the FDA under the name Dizevia in 2018 and by the EU as Dizevio that same year. A second sublingual sufentanil system under the name Xalavicio has been approved for us by the UE and is in phase 3 trials in the US. In its most recent earnings report, the company showed a $1.4 million at the top line, driving driven by 1.3 million in product sales. So here comes the juicy, oh baby, information. The sales figure was up 433%. And the total revenue figure was up 133% year over year. That is some amazing news. There's huge upside for this company. And based on 3 analysis offering 12-month price targets for AcelRx in the last 3 months, the average price target is $7 with a high forecast of $9 and a low of $5. And the average price target represents a 210% increase from the last price at $220, and they are up. The stock is up 76% in the last month. This is a nice one. All right, so the strike price at $220. I'm gonna wait for it to drop down a little bit. If it goes in between $2 and $2.15, I'm gonna throw 5 shares. If it goes in between $1.50 and $1.75, I'm gonna hit it with another 5 shares. And if we get below $1.50, I'm gonna throw in my last 5 shares, and I'm definitely gonna be holding on to this one for at least 2 to 3 years, depending on how much upside we have this year. I might sell off some of it for the profit, but we shall see. All right, guys, that is it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, hit that bell if you're new. I hope you all have an incredible day, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love, guys. Take care.